Welcome back to a new Hovi tutorial. In today's episode, we'll have a look at how to crochet the oak leaf from the solstice garland. The pattern is in the description box and it's absolutely free to download, so go grab it right now. Alright guys, for this pattern, we'll be using some Friends Cotton 8/8, a crochet hook size 4mm, that's US size G6, a scissor, a tapestry needle, and some stitch markers. Let's get to it. We're gonna start off by chaining 17, and once we do that, we're gonna move on to the first row. Alright, in the first row, we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch chain from the hook. Then we're gonna slip stitch 5 times. We're gonna continue making 9 single crochets. And in the last chain, we're gonna be making 3 single crochets. Now working down the other side of your chain, we're gonna be working 9 single crochets. We're gonna slip stitch 1 time. We're gonna chain and then turn. In row 2, we are gonna do the following 3 times. Make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, then make 1 double crochet followed by 1 treble crochet in the next stitch. Slip stitch along the edge of the treble crochet, and like I said, we are going to repeat this 3 times. We are going to make 1 single crochet followed by 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Followed by 3 double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet and then 1 slip stitch in the next stitch, and then we're gonna repeat the following 3 times one more time. 2 chain, 1 treble crochet followed by 1 double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet, one slip stitch, and like I said, repeat it 3 times. We will chain and then eventually fasten off. Weave in your ends and pick out the stem or the edge of the oak leaf in gold using a running stitch or a back stitch if you wish, with the very beautiful Cocktail Deluxe in gold.